Electric motors, AC, DC, and brake motors play important roles in industrial work. These machines are utilized in the production of food and beverages and also paper and plastics. Manufacturing, automotive, marine, and printing industries use these as well. Nevertheless, a time will come when these motors break down and stop functioning completely. Replacing them would mean having to shell out more money on your part in order to get them back in good working condition. Electric motor repairs are necessary. A new book on electric motor repair has become a best-seller in its field, thanks to its complete hands-on approach to the repair and control of AC and DC motors. The book, written by experts in the field of electric motor repair, covers everything from basic principles to advanced troubleshooting techniques. It is packed with full color photos and illustrations, as well as step-by-step instructions for each type of repair. Whether you are a novice or an experienced technician, this book is an invaluable resource for anyone who works with or maintains electric motors. If you are a business manager or proprietor, part of your job is to make sure your business operations run efficiently. The role of a good manager requires being able to anticipate any future problems. Since your decisions will greatly affect the speed of your company's output, you must always remain 2 steps ahead. Therefore, if one of your motors stops working, do you buy a new motor right away? Or do you save that money and consider getting some repairs done instead? If you are thinking that there is more to be gained in buying a new one, you are right. However, you must also consider the cost. As a manager, you must be mindful of the company budget. Therefore, this is what has to be done. You need to make a cost-benefit analysis between the 2 choices. By doing this, you will know what will work best. If you can't afford a replacement motor, find a company that does electric motor repairs. Getting quality repairs done in the workplace is usually less expensive and faster than having to purchase new equipment. Most companies can perform their own motor rewinds. This option, however, can inhibit your broken motor's efficiency level. This is why you should work personally with a repair provider. This individual will make sure the rewind will not drastically affect your machine's productivity. Usually, for your motor to work as good as new, extensive rewind repairs are necessary. There are many companies offering electric motor repairs, so do your research thoroughly before signing a contract with one. Here are some points for you to consider. Find one that provides customized repair to suit your needs. Remember, the result of the repair depends on the extent of damage to the motor. Greater damage could mean lesser chances of getting your motor back to working order. Therefore, choose a company that can give you the best results. As to service, one that is available on a 24/7 schedule is ideal. There are some firms that operate in shifting schedules. Pickup and delivery must also be considered. It would be a hassle on your part to bring your machine to the repair shop personally. Therefore, choose a company that provides on-site service. In case your damaged motors are heavy and bulky, check to see if they have cranes and special lifts. If you want to maintain your company's optimum production capability, you must make cost-effective decisions that can lead to increased savings. In order to minimize the need for electric motor repairs, there must be a regular maintenance program in place. This will guarantee your machines to run at maximum efficiency level. At the same time, it prevents the possibility of costly future replacements.